Maybe because she say, oh, my move with Lana is like she try, you know what I mean? Me do you something, you do me back something kind of style. I mean, I don't know if I can deal with that, brother.
So tell me, man to man, is this situation magnified by the fact that Lana is in the picture? Or what?
I tell you the truth, Stephen. Lana never in the picture that kind of way then. Lana was just a sister in a rape on a certain level. And you see, because she's a hustling girl, when she forward and tell me, say, my dad the farmer, she tell me, say, she wants some things and she want me just forward the things into her. And she'll just pay me back at the end of. She tell me the truth. She said, give her 2 months. And Kingman, the daughter never late, no time at all. So it developed a kind of respectable friendship. It's like, but then Omega just start take it out of proportion now start. So I guess because of that, she feel like say if me I move that kind of way then I do what me want to do. Because that's so she pretty now. And I really what me want to do. It's just a good business decision. Because her sister will forward her money early. And she will put all the $5 grand on it. And say, because you give me the blight, this is what me I do. So it was for me it was a good business decision, but she now just amplify the thing and make the thing look more than what it is.
What's your style? Would you say that because of what you have done for Lana may have developed some attraction that may have been there like that man before? Would you say that? Would it be safe to say?
In real life, brethren to brethren, some sort of way, because here, physically, Lana is a very attractive woman, you know, I know you're supposed to say, because she build a way, you know. So, I know say, yeah man, it develop over time and just how she reaches a different level, you know?
So, how possible you think, and we are talking man to man now, it is that the same thing is happening the other side? This man is doing some things. Him also see a package that is to be desired. And because of what he been doing, plus him a come round, probably I spend a little support. People are people.
King man. See, that's why more while when certain things reach way, as man, we have to know who we are releasing with. You're right, you know. Maybe I that go on. And I can't fight it because based on how me move, maybe she just decides, say, you know something. Let me see how me can move to. And I can't too fight it as a man, I have to just pray, say. At the road that she gone down. But in any case, brother, when my meds there right now, I don't know, maybe the relationship just grew apart, you know what I mean? Because I don't see her as often as I like see her. And when me now, it's like if me not reach out, she not to reach out. You see what I say?
So, like, you're there right at that point that you need to make a decision.
I never know when I woke up in a therapy session today now. But I'll be honest with you. Yeah. She had a real reason.
Are you aware that that's a form of emotional manipulation and control?
Control?
And for you, it's denial.
Hold on there. So what I say is, she control me emotionally and me I deny say that I have.
Exactly. And I think you're smart enough to know. But the issue is, you don't have many people telling you this.
You're right. Most people just say them see one good relationship and how much we inspire them.
For all intents and purpose, it can be, but you have to speak your truth. You have to tell her how you really feel, and that's when you'll know who she really is. You can't keep that to yourself.
I'm back.
Is that the purse?
Yeah, I told you I got this.
Okay.